guys, this is Raja here, your strength and conditioning coach from FitZone. So yes, let's wait for people to join. Yes. Am I audible? Yeah. Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Can you hear me? Yes. Okay guys, today we'll be doing some shoulders workouts which will be strengthening our shoulders, and we'll be doing all those exercise with water bottles. Okay? Yes. First, before entering into the main workout, so we are going to do some mobility drills. So mobility drills are the drills which will be making our body ready to go into the workout. Okay. So these drills are required every time when we will start a workout. Okay. First, we are going to do mobility drills followed by the main workout. Then we will be doing stretches for our shoulders and arms. Okay. So first, mobility drill number one. Rotate your head clockwise. Yes, 5 times. Good. And change side, anti-clockwise 5 times. Good. Yes. And now, next drill for your arms. Keep your arms straight. You are going to keep your arms straight like this. Don't bend your elbows. So you're going to stretch, 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 stretch. Don't bend your elbows. Your elbows should be straight. Okay? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now, next exercise. Again, elbow straight. So what you're going to do in this exercise, you're going to squeeze and be forward. Don't bend your elbows. Just squeeze your back and be forward. Back and be forward. Back and be forward. Yes. Do this for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, relax. So this is for your back and shoulder. Okay, this is for getting ready. Mobility drill is to make your body ready to enter into the main workout. So next drill. Okay, you're going to bend down and touch your toes and hold. Okay, touch your toes. Good. And do not shake your body. Hold that. Good. And up. Yes. Now next drill for your hip joints for this part. So what you are going to do? Rise your feet out and out to in. Balance. If you can't balance yourself, take support of a wall. Okay. 1, 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, good. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Relax. So now you have stretched your hip joint. Okay? You are stretching for your back, shoulders, neck, and your shoulder joints and arms are done. Okay? Now you're going to stretch your lower back. So for that, kneel down. Okay? Kneel down. Okay? See straight. Make us round your back and squeeze up and squeeze down. Okay? Squeeze down. This is called cat down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. After 5 counts, relax. Now again in the same position, you are going to rotate your trunk. Keep your hands behind and squeeze and stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Squeeze and stretch. Squeeze, stretch. Change hands. Squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch. Okay, relax. Yes. Now, yes. Yes. Now next, the main workout. So we are going to use water bottles. Okay. So people might have dumbbells in your home. People who have dumbbells can use dumbbells. In case if you don't have dumbbells, you're going to use water bottles. Okay. So water bottles, what you are going to do? We are going to do workout for our shoulders with water bottles. So hold your water bottle tight. Okay. So first we are going to do and press with water bottles. So for that, you are going to keep your hands and the bottles here in your shoulders like this. Okay. And you are going to lift it up straight and heads forward and down. So when you are going to lift up, put your head forward and down. Okay? So when you see from side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Yes. So yeah, this is, so yes, why we use put our head forward is because, see, when we lift, now water bottle is very less weight. So yeah, when we lift and hold like this, when you lift heavy weights, if you have heavy weights in our hand, your elbow should be locked, okay? And when our head is forward, we don't crumble, okay? We can balance ourselves and hold it like this, okay? In case our head is back like this, its chances are that the weight may fall down or weight may fall back. So always remember when you're doing shoulder press, always lock your elbows tight and always don't try to keep the dumbbell close like this. Okay, always try to keep it wide like this. Okay, the more wide it is, the more you will get the control over the dumbbells. Okay, which are the weight main. Now again, round 2. Okay, you're going to do 10 reps now. Okay, bottle tight. People who have dumbbells can use dumbbells. If you have barbells, you can use barbells. Okay, same. Okay, dumbbells here. Keep the dumbbells here or bottles here. Okay, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. So this is very less weight. Okay. So you might ask a question. So how can I lift heavy weights in this? Okay. So when you do heavy weights, what you have to do is you are going to use your whole body. That is your lower body and your upper body. Okay. So you are going to generate strength from your lower body and push towards upper body. See, remember, you are not pushing your thumb. You are just throwing your hands like this. Okay. You are pushing it hard. Okay. You are not just lifting. Okay. You are just pushing it, throwing it. Okay. When you have heavy weights, this is the way to do it. So imagine you are having a heavy weight dumbbell or a barbell in your hand. So this is a unbearable weight, very heavy it is. So yes, what you are going to do, you are going to dip down and throw, dip and throw, dip and throw. So you are generating power from your leg. Okay? Yes, watch it from this angle. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And to generate more power, you can jump in here, okay? Like this, throw and hold, okay? Again, down, throw and hold, okay? This is the way to do it. So since this is a very less weight, we are doing it, it's just strict press. This is called strict press. So when you throw it, it's called push press, okay? Yes, now for 10 more rounds of strict press, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So yes, with water bottles only, you might experience a little pain in your anterior deltoids. So this workout is for your anterior deltoids. Okay. This workout is very effective for your anterior deltoid. So when you push it up and lock your hands and hold, you are going to experience a mild pain here. Okay? Yes, this is your anterior deltoid. So relax, have a break, 30 seconds break, relax yourself, relax. So we are going to start exercise number 2. Again with the water bottles, okay? Yes. So yes, you might have seen in gym, side raise, okay? So you might have seen in gym people doing side raise like this, okay? So yeah, we are going to perform the same with water bottles now, okay? So how we are going to do it is, yes, water bottles again, okay? In hands, in your thighs, okay? Like this. This is very lightweight guys, so yes, like this, and always don't keep your elbow straight in the sofa. Your elbow should be little bent. That is called Shaya log. Okay? Like normal way of standing. This is called, see my elbows, it's bent little bit. Elbows bent. Okay, so what you're going to do, see straight, chest up, okay? You're going to rise sideways. 1. Okay? 2. So remember this wrist should not be bent down like this. See, it should not be down, it should be up. Okay? Yes. So you are going to keep your wrist up and lead with your elbow. See, lead with your elbow. Your elbow should go up first. Elbow up. Okay? And stop it here. Exactly in your shoulder line. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Relax. So guys, you might ask a question. This is easy. So how to put more effort while doing this exercise in home? Okay? I have an exercise for you guys. Okay? So in case you have a dumbbell which is of very less weight, or you can do this exercise very easily and you don't have any extra weights. So what you are going to do is do this exercise in an eccentric way. Okay? What is that is? So you are going to hold the bottle like this. Okay? Yes. Up you go. Straight up. Okay? You're going to lift it up and turn the bottle sideways. And you're going to bring it down slow. As slow as possible. Okay? Slow. Control the movement as slow as possible. Slow. 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 Yes, you're going to take at least 30 to 40 seconds to bring the bottles down to your thigh, back to your original position. Slow, slow, and down. Okay? Again. So when you do it so, okay, this is going to put a very lot of pressure in your shoulder joints. You can hear some cracking sound. Okay? Yes, it's possible. It's normal. Okay? It's a sign of you getting stronger. Okay? Strengthening your shoulder joints. Okay? Do it slow as possible. Control the movement. Control the eccentric. Yes. Good. Good. Slow. 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 So this will give you lot of pressure in your shoulder joints. That is this delta. That is the mid delta. Okay? So yeah, people who do not have heavy weights can do it in the eccentric position. Okay? So what you can do is combine both the exercise. Okay? Do 3-4 reps of eccentric side rise followed by the normal side rise. So we are going to do that now. Okay? First we are going to do 2 or 3 reps of eccentric side rise followed by 10 side rise, normal side rise. So yes, first eccentric side rise. Bottles up. Go up. Ready? Go slowly down. And here also don't drop your wrist. And in this exercise in eccentric pace, you are going to keep your elbows locked. It should be totally locked. Don't bend your elbows in this. Okay? Or even if you bend a little bit, it's not a issue. Okay? But you are going to put lot of pressures in your shoulder. So the more you go down slow, the more you are going to get the effect. Okay? Slow, 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 slow. Down. And up. Again. 2. Go down slow. Slow, slow, slow. Very slow, very slow, very slow, very slow. Slow, slow, slow. Good, 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 good. Down. Now, yes, 2 reps. If you are tired, immediately start sideways. Hands forward, elbows bend again. Rise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Yes. This exercise is for your mid deltoid. Okay. So yes, this all the exercises are going to put pressure in your shoulder. That is this part. Okay. This entire part is going to go put here. Okay. So next exercise. Okay. This is a little tough exercise for the beginners, but people who are intermediate level and advanced level can try this. Okay. So what you are going to do is you are going to keep your hands like this. Okay, and bend down, legs straight, okay? So you're going to do inverted push-ups like this, okay? You're going to put all your body weight in your shoulder joints, okay? So yes, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So in this way of push-ups, you are going to keep your heads down and hips up, okay? So you are going to put entire weights in your shoulder joint, okay? This is going to go for your shoulder joints. This part, okay? This is going to make your shoulders stronger, okay? Yes. One more time, the same exercise. This exercise is for the mediate level and advanced level people, okay? Not for the beginners, okay? Beginners, please do not try this, okay? Yes. So yes, go down, heads down, hands little wide. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Yes. So this workout is going to put lot of pressure in your shoulder joints because you're going to put entire your body weight to here. Okay. So this is going to give a lot of stress in your shoulder joints. Okay. Now, next workout. So yes, now there is an workout to do to work out your, that is, posterior deltoid. So for that you need a chair or something. So you're going to bend down like this and lift your bottles. Okay, keep your bottles down. Okay, keep the bottles down. You need a chair, heads down. Okay, back straight. Lift your bottles like this. Okay, you're going to keep the bottles down. Lift, 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 lift. You're going to do bench press in an inverted way. You're going to take it like this, down, up, down. Okay? Yes. This is an exercise to work out this part, the posterior deltoid. Okay? You're going to work out your posterior deltoids in this. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Last exercise for your posterior deltoid. Okay? So what you're going to do? Go down. Okay? Put your body straight and lift, 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 lift. Relax. So this workout is for your posterior deltoids. So guys, now we have worked out all three deltoids. Okay, that is anterior, mid, and posterior deltoids. So you don't need any dumbbells or barbells to work out on your deltoids. Okay, so this are the easiest way to do it with water bottles. Okay, yes. Relax. Now we'll be doing stretches. Okay, so yes. First stretch. So what we'll be doing is we are going to stretch this part and our arms together. Okay. So yes, hold your hands like this and stretch. Hold it up for 20 seconds. Hold. Good. 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 Relax. Yes. Now one more stretch for this joint and chest and your arms together. grab to a wall. Keep your hands like this and turn your body fully. Try to turn fully. Yes, and hold. Good, good, good. Relax. Other side. Hold and turn your body fully. Good, good, good. Relax. Now next, hold your elbows like this and squeeze it as tight as possible and hold. Yes, hold. Good, good, good. Relax. Change side. Hold. Hold as tight as you can and squeeze it. Good, good. Relax. Yes. So guys, today we worked out on our shoulder joints, shoulder muscles. That is anterior deltoid, posterior deltoid, and mid deltoid. Okay. So all these exercises can be done in dumbbells, barbells. But yes, since we are facing a condition in home, like we are in home, not going out anywhere, so we don't have equipment. So we're using water bottles here. So water bottle might look with very less. So you can try to increase the intensity by increasing the size of the water bottle. So yes, you can try it in 2 liters water bottles. Okay. Yes. Depending on that, your strength of your shoulders and arms will increase. Okay. So yes, guys, we are done for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Okay. Keep working out. Have a healthy and safe lifestyle. Okay. Join Fit. Download the Fitso app and start working out with us. Yes. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Bye.